Alright guys, rocks have been delivered. This is vlog 3 of the landscaping vlog. I am going to put the weed matting down first, and then we're going to bring those rocks around, and I can't use the wheelbarrow because there's not enough access down the side, so I'll be using a bucket. But I don't have a bucket. Oh, I do have a bucket. I'll sort it out. Alright guys, weed matting is down. I guess it looks alright. I don't know what I'm doing. I told you, I'm an amateur. But let's get the rocks and start putting them in. Alright, that was a bit of hard yakka. Taking in 10 kilos at a time. Anyway, got to level it off now. And then, I don't know, get ready for the pretty stones. Whew, hot stuff. So I was just going to stop there and call it a day, but I have one problem. Yeah, I may have over-ordered stones. So I'm going to just use the rest of that down this side of the house. And I'm going to begin a few days earlier on this, because essentially we can only cart all the materials by hand in a bucket. It's not wide enough to bring this thing through. Oh well, I've got to build up the biceps. Let's do it. Let's keep going. This is a very big job to do, technically solo. Some of my family helped me with the initial part of clearing the backyard, but all this stonework, leveling, it's tiring. Anyway, I've run out of weed mat, so I've got to get some more weed mat. I think I'll have enough gravel. I'm pretty sure I've got enough gravel, drainage gravel. And then, yes, I'm gonna go to Bunnings, get some more weed mat, and something else is gonna get, but anyway, come back, and once I finish that section, I think I'll call it a day.